Show 'em what you're worth.
And a
I love lingerie and diamonds, and they have the most beautiful pieces of lingerie in the show as well as jewelry. So I always come to watch that, and there's always a great performance. So many amazing artists perform throughout the years.
A lot of times in fashion we see people, it's like a lot of ordinary women can't fit that stuff and they can't see themselves wearing it, whereas I feel like even the models of Victoria's Secret, they're just purely stunning, and it's even a little bit more shape than some other traditional models. So yeah, I think that's why everyone loves it.
Them change to the new, you know. So that's a treat.